There are three ways that any business makes money. The first phase is getting new customers. That's the saturation phase. The second way that businesses make money is through getting your existing customers to purchase from you more often. This is part of the retriggering phase. And then the third way that you can make money as a business owner is by getting those existing customers to spend more money at your business. So let's just revisit all of this. Two phases of marketing. First phase is saturation. That means exposure. That means investing money in Facebook ads and Google ads and Instagram campaigns and really giving people compelling offers to come into your business. Then once they come into your business, you want to capture their attention. You want to get their email address. You want to get their to follow you on Instagram, right? You want to stay in touch with them so you can do your best to re-trigger them to come into your business more often and to invest more money. So the big mistake that people make is they don't understand these two phases and they don't invest the time and attention and money in their marketing for the saturation phase and for the retriggering phase. Because of the first thing that I told you, right, is because they're waiting for their business to make money before they invest in their marketing, but it doesn't work that way. You have to invest in your marketing first, and then the money will follow.